Guacamole, 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 guacamole. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with one of my favorite food recipes, guacamole. You know that guacamole was invented in Mexico and it's an avocado salad. Did you know an interesting fact about avocados? They actually have more potassium than banana. Actually, almost double. So they're good for you. Do you want to try my recipe? Give it a go. Let's go! The ingredients that we will need to make this salad is some tomatoes, some avocados, of course, some onions and limes, some cilantro, and some spicy peppers. Don't forget the salt. I'll show you how to make this. I love avocados. You can also plant an avocado tree with this, but it will take a few years. Be careful, this can get messy. Remember, if you score it with a knife, it helps when you try to scoop it out. And now use a fork to mash up your avocado. We like ours a bit chunky. And now you need to chop up your other ingredients. We like to use yellow onions. You can use whatever onion you like. You need to dice up your tomatoes. And now this is optional. You can chop up some jalapeno. That looks so yummy. Smells so good. Now we're done. We just need to add some cilantro, lemon and salt. And remember, fresh cilantro tastes the best. Chop it up a little bit and add in your salad. You can use lemons or limes, whatever you prefer. And the best way to enjoy your guac is some fajita. So cut up a fajita and put it in the oven for 5 minutes. And then, look what I made! If you enjoyed our video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video!